Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome to your Tuesday edition of Tech Stocks Daily, where we dive deep into the pulse of the tech market. Today, we're unpacking a treasure trove of developments that are setting the tech world ablaze. First up, Apple is dazzling us again, not just with new gadgets, but with a game-changing leap into AI and OLED territories. Microsoft, on the other hand, is playing a high-stakes game, advancing in AI for intelligence agencies while navigating legal challenges. Datadog might have hit a bump despite shining bright in their financials. And Google? They're redefining the smartphone game in India, pushing the boundaries of innovation and security. So gear up. We're breaking down these stories, sifting through the noise to bring you the insights that matter. Let's get started. In a series of strategic maneuvers and product unveils that have significantly marked its presence in the tech sphere today, Apple has once again grabbed the tech world's attention with its latest advancements and announcements. Leading the charge is the introduction of Apple's revamped iPad Pro lineup, which not only ushers in the new M4 chip, but also showcases the tech giant's bold stride into OLED display technology and its unabated focus on artificial intelligence. The new iPad Pro models, available in both 11-inch and 13-inch screen sizes, are not just incremental upgrades. Instead, they represent a leap forward, primarily through the integration of the M4 chip, which Apple claims to be purposely built for AI, boasting capabilities unprecedented in the realm of tablets. According to Apple, the M4 chip is 50% faster than its predecessor, the M2, and is designed to deliver superior gaming performance while consuming half the power. This advancement is a testament to Apple's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what its devices can achieve, especially in terms of processing speed and energy efficiency. But it's not just about raw power. The shift to OLED technology for the iPad Pro's display is a significant one. OLED offers deeper contrasts and vibrant colors that leap off the screen, marking a considerable improvement over the mini LED displays of previous models. Apple's embrace of OLED technology underscores its ongoing endeavors to provide users with the most immersive and visually stunning experience possible. Furthermore, Apple's dedication to enhancing AI capabilities across its devices was prominently highlighted during its presentation. The new iPad Pro, powered by the M4 chip, is positioned as an outrageously powerful device for artificial intelligence, with the promise of transforming how creative professionals work on videos, games, and music. This focus on AI is not limited to the iPad Pro. Apple's broader strategy includes developing its own AI chips for data centers, highlighting an aggressive push to cement its standing in the AI domain. Moreover, Apple's commitment to innovation and future-proof technology is mirrored in its financial investments, with a staggering $183 billion spent on research and development in less than 12 years. This investment is dwarfed by another strategic allocation, $674 billion towards share buybacks, emphasizing Apple's confidence in its own growth and the value it places on returning capital to shareholders. These strategic advancements, coupled with the anticipation around Apple's AI strategy to be detailed at the upcoming Worldwide Developers Conference, signal a robust product cycle over the next 6 to 9 months. Analysts, too, echo this sentiment, pointing to a renaissance of growth for Apple, particularly highlighting the potential of generative AI incorporation in the upcoming iPhone 16 as a new frontier of growth. In essence, today's news around Apple Inc. doesn't just revolve around the launch of new products. It encapsulates a broader strategy aimed at consolidating its dominance in the tech market, with a keen focus on AI, cutting-edge technology, and an unwavering commitment to innovation. As Apple continues to innovate and push the limits of what technology can achieve, its influence on the global tech landscape remains unmatched, signaling exciting times ahead for both the company and its users. Microsoft finds itself at the heart of today's tech headlines for a trio of reasons, showcasing both the innovative strides and regulatory scrutiny the tech giant is facing. Kicking things off, the company made waves with the announcement of deploying a game-changing generative AI model designed exclusively for U.S. intelligence agencies. This model, a feat of engineering and cybersecurity, operates in a completely isolated or air-gapped environment, ensuring that the analysis of classified data remains impenetrable to external threats. This pioneering approach, leveraging GPT-4 technology to function entirely offline, represents a significant leap in the use of AI for intelligence purposes. It underscores the critical importance of secure, efficient data analysis in national security domains, promising a future where voluminous classified data can be sifted through with newfound speed and precision. In contrast to this technological triumph, Microsoft also faces challenges on the legal and competitive front. A complaint filed by the Spanish Startup Association has put Microsoft's cloud practices under the microscope. The association accuses the tech behemoth of leveraging its dominance in the OS and productivity software markets to unfairly push its Azure cloud services, erecting artificial barriers to entry for startups. These allegations touch on broader concerns within the European Union about the anti-competitive behaviors of tech giants, bringing the company's strategies into question, just as the EU's Digital Markets Act aims to cultivate a more competitive digital sector. Amidst these highs and lows, a personal narrative unfolds with Mustafa Suleyman's first month at Microsoft since moving from Google's DeepMind. Suleyman's reflections reveal an energized transition, highlighting his admiration for Microsoft's AI-first approach and its commitment to responsible AI development. His enthusiasm suggests a vibrant future for AI at Microsoft, where the alignment of technological ambition with ethical standards is paramount. Moreover, Microsoft is not resting on its laurels when it comes to AI innovation. Amid strategic partnerships, such as its significant collaboration with OpenAI, Microsoft is also venturing into developing its proprietary AI model, May-I-1. Spearheaded by Suleiman, this initiative represents Microsoft's ambition to remain at the forefront of AI advancements, challenging rivals and pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve. Today's news encapsulates Microsoft's multifaceted role in the tech world, a juggernaut driving forward with groundbreaking AI developments while navigating the complex waters of global digital markets and regulatory landscapes. Whether it's setting new benchmarks for AI and national security, addressing monopoly concerns, or fostering AI innovation under the guidance of industry veterans, Microsoft's actions are a bellwether for the state and future of technology. In today's tech sphere, cloud-based monitoring and analytics platform Datadog took the spotlight, but perhaps not for the reasons it would have preferred. Despite the company exceeding first-quarter expectations in both revenue and earnings per share, and even raising its full-year outlook, Datadog stock experienced a sharp decline, tumbling over 10% by the last check Tuesday. So what's behind this seemingly paradoxical market response? At the core, Datadog reported a robust first quarter for the fiscal year, with a 27% year-over-year revenue growth reaching $611.3 million, surpassing analysts' predictions of $591.3 million. This performance was underpinned by significant customer growth, particularly in high-value accounts contributing over $100,000 in annual recurring revenue, which saw a 15% increase. Furthermore, the company boasted substantial improvements in operational efficiency, highlighted by an 83% adjusted gross margin and a 27% adjusted operating margin. Additionally, Datadog is not just resting on its laurels. In the first quarter, the company announced the general availability of IT event management to AIOps capabilities. This feature is designed to streamline incident management, offering teams a unified view of incidents across Datadog and third-party tools, thereby enhancing their ability to proactively and swiftly address issues. Looking ahead, Datadog provided optimistic guidance for both the upcoming quarter and the remainder of the fiscal year, with expected Q2 revenues between $620 million to $624 million and an adjusted EPS of 34 to 36 cents. For the full year, the company has revised its revenue expectations upwards to between $2.59 billion to $2.61 billion, and adjusted EPS to range from 151 to 157, reflecting confidence in its continued growth trajectory. Despite these positive indicators, the announcement of a key leadership change seemed to overshadow the company's financial achievements. Amit Agarwal, Datadog's president, is set to depart by the end of 2024, planning to join the company's board thereafter. This news, coupled with a slight miss on billings expectations, appears to have injected uncertainty among investors, contributing to the stock's downward pressure. In conclusion, the day was a mix of highs and lows for Datadog. While its financial performance and outlook should provide reasons for optimism, the undercurrents of leadership transitions and minor blemishes in an otherwise stellar report card have led to investor jitters. As such, despite Datadog's strong market position and innovative product offerings, today serves as a reminder of the complex interplay between company performance, market expectations, and the overarching narrative that can sway investor sentiment in the volatile world of tech stocks. In today's Tech News Roundup, Google stole the spotlight with not just one but two big announcements that are sure to have ripples across the tech landscape. Firstly, the Google Pixel 8a has officially been launched in India, smashing expectations with its early arrival. Designed to bring premium features at a more accessible price point, the Pixel 8a is making headlines not just for its advanced Tensor G3 chip, but also for an unprecedented promise of 7-year software support. This long-term commitment to updates is a game-changer, positioning Google as a leading provider in the economy smartphone segment, while underscoring its commitment to sustainability and customer satisfaction. The Pixel 8a isn't just about long-term updates. It's equipped with cutting-edge AI features, much like its higher-end siblings, the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro, including a Magic Editor, Best Take, and Audio Magic Eraser, powered by Google's proprietary Tensor G3 chip. Despite its affordable price tag, the Pixel 8a doesn't skimp on premium specs, boasting a 6.1-inch actual OLED display, up to 256GB UFS 3.1 storage, and a 4,492 mAh battery, showcasing Google's ambition to make no compromises on quality and user experience. Secondly, in a major move to bolster business productivity and security, Verizon Business announced pre-orders for the Pixel 8a, touting exclusive benefits for modern businesses, including advanced AI, state-of-the-art security measures, and a new eSIM activation for seamless integration into business operations. This collaboration illustrates a strategic push to embed Google's innovative technology deeper into the business ecosystem, leveraging Verizon's vast network and service capabilities. Moreover, Google's commitment to security was further highlighted by its latest two-factor authentication update. Aimed at simplifying the activation process, this update allows users to choose their preferred second-factor method without the previous mandate of adding a phone number, addressing user concerns over privacy and security vulnerabilities associated with SMS and voice verification methods. This down date shows Google's understanding that complexity is indeed the enemy of security, making it easier and more straightforward for users to secure their vital accounts. Today, Google has clearly underscored its strategy of pursuing innovation with a user-first approach, whether by adding features that enhance the user experience, pushing the envelope with software support timelines, or ensuring user accounts are as secure as they can be in an increasingly challenging digital landscape. What do you think about Google's announcements? Are the Pixel 8a's features and Google's new 2FA update game changers for how we perceive security and long-term device value in the smartphone market? Share your thoughts and insights in the comments below. Your opinions not only enrich our discussions, but also help us all stay informed and connected in this fast-evolving tech world. Let's dive into Apple, a stock that's always under the investor's microscope. With today's tech news, the conversation around Apple is buzzing, especially with the announcement of the revamped iPad Pro lineup, integrating the new M4 chip and making a significant shift to OLED display technology. This is not just any regular product launch. It's a testament to Apple's relentless pursuit of innovation, particularly in the realm of artificial intelligence. Now, if I were to choose whether to buy, sell, or hold AAPL stocks based on today's revelations, I'd lean towards a strong hold, and here's why. 1. Innovation and AI focus. Apple's introduction of the M4 chip, designed for AI, promises a new era of capabilities for iPad Pro users, which could translate into substantial sales growth. Such innovation is not just a leap in tablet technology. It's a strategic move that places Apple at the forefront of AI development in consumer electronics, a critical factor for future growth. 2. Investment in technology. The shift to OLED technology and the massive $183 billion investment in research and development in less than 12 years underline Apple's commitment to keeping its product lineup innovative and consumer-friendly. These investments assure longevity in the tech forefront, making Apple a more attractive proposition for long-term investors. Number 3, financial robustness. Apple's strategic allocation of $674 billion towards share buybacks signals a strong confidence in its own growth trajectory and a commitment to returning value to shareholders. This financial strategy not only demonstrates Apple's robust health, but also its belief in future growth prospects. 4. Future growth potential. Analysts are already foreseeing a renaissance of growth for Apple, particularly with the anticipation around generative AI incorporation in its next iPhone model. Such forecasts indicate a bullish outlook, underpinning the rationale to either hold or possibly increase one's stake in AAPL. Given these points, the current news positions Apple as a powerhouse of innovation with solid growth prospects, especially in the AI and high-end technology segments. However, the stock market is volatile, and while the prospects look promising, it's crucial for listeners to conduct their own research, analyze market trends, and consider their individual investment strategy and risk tolerance before making any decisions regarding buying, selling, or holding stocks. With AAPL, the narrative is positive and leaning towards growth, making it a compelling consideration for those looking to invest in a tech giant with a clear vision for the future. And there you have it, folks, the thrilling roller coaster of today's tech market encapsulated. From Apple's game-changing unveilings and strategic AI maneuvers, Microsoft's bold foray into secure AI for intelligence, Datadog's financial paradox amidst leadership shifts, to Google's ambitious Pixel launch and enhanced security measures, we've unraveled the intricate dance of innovation, regulatory navigation, and market reactions that's kept us on the edge of our seats. Each narrative weaving through today's tech tapestry not only reflects the current state of play, but also hints at the vast potential and challenges lying ahead in the digital realm. As we wrap up, remember, the tech landscape is ever evolving, vibrant with opportunities, and rich with lessons. Perfect for those keen on keeping their finger on the pulse. Dive in, explore, question, and join us in this ongoing conversation about shaping the future through technology.